This problem says a spring has a length of 0.2 meters when 0.3 kg mass hangs from it, and a length of 0.75 meters when 1.95 kg mass hangs from it. What is the force constant of the spring? What is the unloaded length of the spring? Okay, so let's say this is the unloaded length of the spring, x naught, we'll call it x naught, and this is when 0.3 kg hangs on it. We'll call this x, well, that's 0.2 meters, and this is when 1.95 kg hangs on it. Okay, so this stretch is this stretch is 0.2 meters minus x naught, and this stretch is 0.75 minus x naught. Okay, so we'll call this m1, m2. So the equations we have is k times 0.2 minus x naught equal to m1g, and k times 0.75 minus x naught equal to m2g. Okay, so here are two equations, and the two unknowns we have to solve for is x naught, the unstretched length of the spring, and k. Okay, so to solve for x naught, here's what we can do. Let's divide equation 2 divided by 1. That gives us k times 0.75 minus x naught divided by k 0.2 minus x naught equal to m2g by m1g. So what we have is 0.75 minus x naught equal to times m1 is equal to 0.2 minus x naught times m2. So we'll say x naught times m2 minus m1 is equal to we brought this term to the left, so that gave us x naught m2 minus m1, and we'll bring this term to the right, so and that'll give us 0.7 0.2 m2 minus 0.75 m1. Alright, let's add a page below. So x naught is 0.2 m2 minus 0.75 m1 beta divided by m2 minus m1. Okay, so this is 0.2 into 1.95 minus minus 0.75 into 0.3 divided by 1.95 minus 0.2, and that is equal to so this works out to 0.1 meters. So that is the unstretched length of the spring, 10 centimeters. Okay. And now to calculate K, we'll substitute in equation 1, we can substitute them. So K times 0.2, equation 1 says 0.2 minus x naught equal to m1g. And so the spring constant is m1g is 0.3 kg times 9.8 meters per second squared divided by 0.2 minus 0.1 meters. So 29.4 Newton per meter. So that's the spring constant. Okay. Anyway, the trick to this problem is, well, this diagram helps, and what we have to do, what we did was set up these two equations, and the two unknowns we've solved for were K and x naught. K, the spring constant, and x naught, the unstretched length of the spring. The unstretched length of the spring. Okay, that finishes that problem.